Dongguan Jiuzhou Precision Machinery Company Limited, founded in 1998, is located in Dongguan, a famous manufacturing city in China. It is a professional riveting machine and related hardware manufacturer, integrating R&D, production, sales and service. Since its establishment, Jiuzhou has always adhered to the corporate mission of continuously developing and producing safer, more efficient and more environmentally friendly products for customers and creating maximum value for customers, and is committed to becoming a leader in the global riveting equipment field. Jiuzhou Company has dozens of national industry standards and technical patents. Its products have passed CE certification and meet European and American safety standards. The products are widely used in shoe industry, luggage, handbags, clothing, electronics, hardware, stationery and other industries. They not only enjoy a high reputation in the domestic market, but also are exported to more than 100 countries around the world, winning wide acclaim from domestic and foreign customers. The strength of Jiuzhou Company is to provide personalized customization services for customers. According to the actual needs of customers, it develops and customizes applicable high-quality products. With a vision of becoming an industry benchmark, Jiuzhou Company actively creates a corporate culture of people-oriented, courageous in innovation, and striving for excellence, continuously breaks through technical bottlenecks and promotes product upgrading. Integrity casts quality, innovation leads the future, is the core corporate concept of Jiuzhou Precision Machinery. In terms of after-sales service, Jiuzhou Company implements an online and offline lifelong service policy for after-sales products to ensure that any problems encountered by customers during use can be resolved in a timely manner. In short, with excellent product quality, advanced technical strength, perfect service system and good corporate culture, Jiuzhou Company is gradually becoming a leader in the industry. We look forward to working with more domestic and foreign customers to create a better future.